I'll tell you what, pouring silver is a very satisfying hobby, especially when what you designed and hoped a piece would come out like actually does come out the way you were hoping it would. And something else that's satisfying is this sound. Listen carefully.
Oh, that is cool.
This silver is about 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, and so super hot. Let's try that again. Here we go. And why not shoot it from a different angle so you can see the pour and trying to get some ripples there, some pour lines. All right, let's put her in. Here's another. And how about a close-up? What a satisfying sound. That sound is basically the energy being released when the hot silver hits that cold ice. Now let me show you the finished product. Here it is, and this one is toned. You might have seen it in my previous video, but the reason I'm showing it to you again is because one of you lucky viewers is going to have the opportunity to win one of these sugar skulls simply by watching the remainder of this sponsored video. It's my thank you for watching my sponsored video that I get on occasion. So keep watching, and there's going to be a special word given. Again, one of you will receive, and I'll even hand stamp it custom just for you if you'd like. Keep watching, and I appreciate you. Thank you. This video is disseminated on behalf of Mustang Energy, U.S. ticker symbol MECPF. Again, Mustang Energy, and we are so appreciative of our sponsor of today's video. Now, on January 2nd, 2025, the future of energy production around the globe experienced a significant shift. Donald Trump's declaration of a national energy emergency on Inauguration Day was designed to expedite approvals for energy infrastructure, including nuclear power. Here it is straight from the executive order. Immediate review of all agency actions that potentially burden the development of domestic energy resources, including nuclear energy resources. Now, of course, uranium is a necessary component of nuclear energy. Take a look at this chart regarding what has happened to the price of uranium over the last several years. Obviously, it's gone up and up and up. So I would strongly encourage you to take a close look at Mustang Energy. Right to the north of our border in Saskatchewan, Canada, resides one of the world's most promising uranium jurisdictions, the Athabasca Basin. If Trump's administration is focusing on energy independence and on nuclear energy specifically, this might prompt other countries to pursue similar policies within their own borders, especially if they're blessed with rich deposits. Canada has recently reinforced its commitment to nuclear energy. This renewed focus encompasses policy endorsements, strategic investments, and technological advancements. In October of just last year, 2024, the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission approved an extension for the Pickering Nuclear Generation Station's B units. Plans are in place to develop up to 10,000 megawatts of new nuclear energy capacity at Wesleyville and Port Hope. This initiative is projected to create over 10,500 jobs and contribute an estimated $235 billion to Ontario's GDP over the next 95 years. Canada is on track to become the world's largest uranium supplier, with uranium output expected to rise by 1/3. The sponsor of today's video is Mustang Energy, ticker MECPF, which is focused on Canada's Athabasca Basin. Now let's take a look at their robust projects. The whole goal is to improve sustainable energy. Again, the Athabasca Basin is known for its rich deposits of uranium. Take a look at some of these projects that Mustang has in the works. There's Ford Lake, there's Rough Rider, South and Cigar Lake, Yellowstone, Dutton. The list goes on and on. These are areas rich in deposits of uranium. Now you might be thinking to yourself, okay, T, I'm intrigued. Tell me a little bit about the share price. Well, take a look at this chart. As you can see, the share price is low at this point in time. Only 22 cents a share. What an opportunity. Now don't get the wrong idea. I am not a financial advisor. I certainly encourage you to do your own due diligence. One place that you might look for that information is Mustang Energy's website. It is chock full of interesting information for you to peruse. Now back to the Athabasca Basin, that is where the potential lies in Mustang Energy, because their projects are all surrounding and within that Athabasca Basin. The projects are in close proximity to other major uranium discoveries. The uranium market is facing a severe supply shortage, with demand vastly outpacing production. Many uranium mines were shut down in the past decade, and new mines take years to develop. The U.S. relies heavily on foreign uranium, which is geopolitically risky, increasing the need for domestic and allied sources like Canada. Mustang Energy is a pure-play energy exploration company focused on Canada's Athabascan Basin. As I mentioned, it is one of the world's most valuable uranium regions, home to some of the world's largest and highest grade uranium mines. Mustang Energy is partnered and working with industry leaders such as Axiom Exploration, Dushrock Geological Consulting, and Red Cloud Securities, as well as Sky Harbor Resources. So guys, this is my very first uranium company that I am featuring on my channel in the year 2025. Just think of what Donald Trump said and what our future needs will be. Clean sources of energy. I encourage you to do your own research on Mustang Energy. Now, thanks for watching to this point in the video, and your viewership is very much appreciated. I'd like you to make a comment down below in the comment section using the word energy. That is the key word. I am going to do a drawing 1 week from today, and one of you will win one of those sugar skulls that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So good luck, everybody, and it is my honor to be sponsored by Mustang Energy, and my pleasure to gift one of you one of those sugar skulls. Good luck.